1. Vitamin D. Think waking up multiple times at night to pee is just a normal part of aging? Think again. If you find yourself making frequent trips to the bathroom in the middle of the night, it might not be because you drank too much water before bed. In fact, the real culprit could be something far less obvious, a deficiency in vitamin D. Most people think of vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin that helps build strong bones and support immune function. But what they don't realize is that it plays a crucial role in bladder health. Research shows that people with low vitamin D levels are significantly more likely to suffer from bladder dysfunction, including nocturia, frequent nighttime urination. But why does this happen? Your bladder isn't just a simple storage organ, it has receptors for vitamin D, meaning this vitamin directly influences how your bladder functions. When your body doesn't have enough vitamin D, these receptors don't work efficiently. As a result, you may experience increased urgency and frequency, especially at night. But that's not all. Vitamin D also plays a key role in maintaining muscle strength, including the muscles responsible for bladder control. These muscles, known as the pelvic floor muscles, help regulate urine flow. When they weaken, it becomes harder to hold urine for extended periods, leading to more frequent bathroom trips. The symptoms of vitamin D deficiency go far beyond just frequent urination. Here are some signs that your body may be lacking this essential nutrient. Muscle weakness and fatigue. Your muscles, including those controlling your bladder, may not function optimally. Bone pain and weakness. Since vitamin D is crucial for bone health, a deficiency can lead to joint pain and an increased risk of fractures. Depression and mood swings. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to mood disorders, including anxiety and depression. Compromised immune function. You may find yourself getting sick more often as vitamin D is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin D deficiency is far more widespread than most people think. Studies estimate that nearly 40% of adults in the U.S. have inadequate vitamin D levels, and this percentage is even higher in older adults, those with darker skin, and people who spend most of their time indoors. Certain lifestyle factors also contribute to vitamin D deficiency, such as living in regions with limited sunlight, wearing excessive sunscreen, working indoors for long hours, following a diet low in vitamin D-rich foods. How to increase your vitamin D levels. The good news is that increasing your vitamin D levels is relatively easy if you take the right steps. Here are the best ways to ensure your body gets enough of this essential nutrient. The most natural way to boost vitamin D levels is through sun exposure. Your skin produces vitamin D when exposed to UVB rays from the sun. Experts recommend spending 15 to 20 minutes in the sun daily, preferably during midday when UVB rays are strongest. However, factors like skin tone, age, and geographic location can affect how efficiently your body synthesizes vitamin D. If getting enough sunlight isn't an option, incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet can help. Some of the best sources include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, fortified cereals, and orange juice. For those who struggle to get enough vitamin D from sunlight and food alone, supplements can be a reliable solution. The recommended daily intake varies based on age and individual needs, but most adults benefit from 600 to 800 IU per day. In cases of severe deficiency, doctors may prescribe higher doses. If you're constantly waking up at night to use the bathroom, correcting a vitamin D deficiency could be the key to improving your sleep. Since vitamin D supports bladder control, muscle function, and overall relaxation, ensuring you have optimal levels can help you sleep through the night without annoying interruptions. Additionally, vitamin D is involved in the regulation of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Studies suggest that maintaining healthy vitamin D levels may improve sleep quality, reduce insomnia, and help you wake up feeling more refreshed. If you're struggling with frequent nighttime urination and disrupted sleep, it may be time to check your vitamin D and magnesium levels. Ensuring your body gets enough of these essential nutrients can improve bladder function, strengthen muscles, and help you sleep peacefully through the night. So, what are you waiting for? Step outside, soak up some sunlight, add vitamin D and magnesium-rich foods to your diet, or consider high-quality supplements. Your bladder and your sleep will thank you. 2. Magnesium. Tired of waking up in the middle of the night to pee? Your bladder might be missing one crucial mineral: magnesium. We all know the frustration of tossing and turning, finally drifting into a deep sleep, only to be jolted awake by that all-too-familiar urge to use the bathroom. It's not just annoying, it's exhausting. But what if there was a simple, natural way to regain control over your bladder and finally enjoy a full night's sleep? Magnesium plays a powerful role in bladder control, yet most people don't realize how essential it is. This mineral helps relax muscles and regulate nerve function, both of which directly impact how often you need to go. When magnesium levels drop too low, your bladder muscles can become overactive, leading to frequent urges, especially at night. Ever feel like your bladder has a mind of its own, waking you up at the worst times? A magnesium deficiency could be the hidden reason. Magnesium helps calm the nerves that tell your bladder when to empty, preventing those sudden, urgent trips to the bathroom. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, shows that magnesium supplementation can significantly improve overactive bladder symptoms, one of the biggest culprits behind nocturia, waking up at night to urinate. By keeping your bladder muscles in check, magnesium helps reduce spasms, allowing you to hold urine longer and sleep more soundly. That means fewer interruptions, deeper rest, and waking up feeling refreshed instead of exhausted. Many people don't realize they're magnesium deficient. In fact, studies suggest that up to 50% of Americans aren't getting enough of this crucial mineral. Here are some signs your body might be craving more magnesium: frequent nighttime urination, muscle cramps or spasms, anxiety or restlessness, difficulty falling or staying asleep, fatigue or low energy levels, constipation. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, especially the constant urge to pee at night, your body might be trying to tell you something. Several studies have explored the connection between magnesium and bladder health. A study published in the British Journal of Urology found that women who took magnesium supplements experienced a significant decrease in symptoms of overactive bladder, including fewer nighttime bathroom trips. Another study from the National Institutes of Health concluded that magnesium supplementation helped relax the bladder muscles and improve urinary retention, meaning fewer sudden urges and a better night's sleep. So, how do you get more magnesium? The best sources are whole, nutrient-dense foods that are easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Some of the richest natural sources of magnesium include leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, nuts and seeds, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats, legumes, black beans, chickpeas, lentils, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, dark chocolate. Yes, really? Look for varieties with at least 70% cocoa. If your diet falls short, magnesium supplements can be a great option. Magnesium citrate and magnesium glycinate are two of the most absorbable forms, making them ideal for people struggling with deficiency. If you're supplementing with magnesium, timing can make a big difference. Since magnesium promotes muscle relaxation and better sleep, taking it in the evening can help reduce nighttime bathroom trips while also improving overall sleep quality. Here's a simple nighttime routine to support bladder health. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, take a magnesium supplement with a glass of water. Avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening, as both can irritate the bladder. Try deep breathing or meditation to relax your nervous system. Stress can make bladder issues worse. Beyond bladder control, magnesium plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Getting enough magnesium doesn't just help with nocturia, it can also reduce muscle cramps and spasms, lower stress and anxiety, improve digestion and prevent constipation, support heart health by regulating blood pressure, boost energy levels and reduce fatigue, enhance bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Despite its importance, There are several misconceptions about magnesium. You get enough magnesium from your diet alone. While it's possible, many people still fall short due to soil depletion and processed foods. Different forms have different absorption rates. Magnesium oxide, for example, is poorly absorbed, while magnesium glycinate is highly effective. Too much magnesium is dangerous. While excessive doses can cause diarrhea, magnesium from food sources is safe, and most people don't get enough to begin with. By making sure you get enough magnesium, whether through food or supplements, you're giving your bladder the support it needs to function properly. And finally, you can sleep through the night without those annoying interruptions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and wellness insights. 3. Vitamin C. Most people know vitamin C as an immune booster, but here's what they don't realize: it could be the key to fewer nighttime bathroom trips. If you find yourself waking up multiple times during the night just to urinate, your body might be trying to tell you something more than just drink less water before bed. Frequent nighttime urination, also known as nocturia, affects millions of people worldwide, often disrupting sleep and decreasing quality of life. But while most solutions focus on fluid intake or bladder training, there's one factor that many overlook: vitamin C deficiency. One of the biggest hidden causes of frequent urination at night isn't just hydration or bladder habits, it's inflammation. When the bladder or urinary tract is irritated, it sends constant signals to the brain, making you feel like you need to go even when it's not full. This is where vitamin C steps in. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties help calm the bladder, reducing unnecessary trips to the bathroom and allowing you to get the deep, uninterrupted sleep your body needs. Inflammation in the urinary tract can stem from various sources, including dietary irritants, infections, oxidative stress, and even aging. By combating inflammation at the root, vitamin C helps restore normal bladder function and prevents the constant urge to urinate. But that's not all. Most people associate collagen with skin health. But did you know that your bladder is also made of collagen? Collagen provides structure, strength, and elasticity to the bladder wall, helping it expand and contract as needed. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, weakening the bladder walls and making it harder to retain urine for long periods. That's why so many people struggle with nocturia as they get older. It's not just a hydration issue. It's a structural problem within the bladder itself. When the bladder loses its elasticity, it becomes more sensitive to pressure and less efficient at holding urine, leading to frequent urges to urinate. By boosting collagen synthesis, vitamin C helps maintain bladder strength, allowing it to store urine more efficiently and reducing those middle-of-the-night urges. This is especially important for postmenopausal women and older adults, as collagen loss accelerates with age. Another major benefit? Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant. Like any other organ, the bladder is vulnerable to oxidative stress from toxins, aging, and environmental factors. Over time, this damage weakens bladder cells, leading to dysfunction. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, shows that antioxidants like vitamin C help protect bladder health, reducing oxidative stress and slowing down premature aging. Oxidative stress plays a crucial role in bladder dysfunction, contributing to conditions like interstitial cystitis, overactive bladder, and urinary tract infections, UTIs. Studies indicate that people with chronic bladder issues often have lower levels of antioxidants, making them more prone to irritation and inflammation. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, vitamin C acts as a protective shield, reducing bladder irritation and promoting long-term health. The best part? Getting enough vitamin C is easy. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with it, as are strawberries, blueberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. But if you're not getting enough from food, supplements can help fill the gap. In fact, the Cleveland Clinic suggests that vitamin C supplements may reduce nocturia symptoms in those who are deficient. If you want to improve your bladder health naturally, adding vitamin C-rich foods to your diet is a great start. Here are some of the best options: citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, tropical fruits, kiwi, pineapple, mango, papaya, other sources, tomatoes, guava, acerola cherries. If your diet is lacking in vitamin C, supplements can be a convenient way to ensure you get enough. When choosing a supplement, look for ascorbic acid or a natural form like rose hips or acerola cherry extract for maximum absorption. The recommended daily intake for adults is around 75 to 90 milligrams, but higher doses, up to 500 to 1,000 milligrams, are often used for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting benefits. However, balance is key. Excessive vitamin C intake, above 2,000 milligrams per day, can lead to side effects like stomach discomfort or kidney stones in sensitive individuals. If you're prone to kidney issues, consult with a healthcare provider before taking high doses. While vitamin C can support everyone's bladder health, certain groups stand to benefit the most. Older adults, collagen loss and increased oxidative stress make them more prone to bladder weakness and nocturia. Postmenopausal women. Lower estrogen levels affect collagen production, making bladder tissues less elastic. People with overactive bladder, OAB, vitamin C's anti-inflammatory properties help calm bladder irritation. Individuals prone to UTIs. Its immune-boosting and antioxidant effects support urinary tract health. People with interstitial cystitis, IC. Although IC patients need to monitor their vitamin C intake, controlled doses may help reduce inflammation. So, if you're tired of waking up multiple times a night, it might not just be your bladder habits, it could be a lack of vitamin C. By ensuring you get enough of this essential nutrient, you're not only boosting your immune system, but also strengthening your bladder, reducing inflammation, and improving your overall quality of life. Making a small adjustment to your diet or adding a vitamin C supplement could be the missing piece in your fight against nocturia. The results? Fewer bathroom trips, better sleep, a healthier bladder. Sounds like a game changer, doesn't it? Making just a few simple changes, boosting your vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C levels, along with a couple of lifestyle tweaks, can completely transform your bladder health. No more dragging yourself out of bed multiple times a night. No more sleep disruptions stealing your energy. Imagine waking up refreshed, feeling energized, and finally regaining control over your body. The best part? It's easier than you think. A little extra sunshine, nutrient-rich meals, and smarter hydration habits before bed can make all the difference. Small steps add up, and every choice you make brings you closer to better bladder control and overall well-being. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button now and join Forever Health for more game-changing tips on managing diabetes and living your healthiest life. And if you're ready to take your health to the next level, don't miss this next video. We've got even more powerful insights waiting for you. See you there. See you. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.